Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can save the profile of a Snapstar you have subscribed on Snapchat. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on the friends icon. After that, tap on the Snapstar you want to share the profile of. Then, you can find the Share This Profile With option. Tap on it. And then, select the person to whom you want to send the profile. Finally, tap on the arrow button. And that's it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.